Alright, here's another one here. We got the limit as x approaches 3 of 3 minus x over x squared minus 9. So when we plug the 3 in, we get 3 minus 3 is 0 in the numerator, and we plug 3 in the denominator, we get 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So once again we get 0 over 0. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to factor and cancel some terms out if we can. So I'm going to rewrite this. And we have 3 minus x over x minus 3 times x plus 3. So as you see in the denominator here, we have this difference of two squares, right? Because that's a 2 there. Well, we have an x minus 3 and an x plus 3, but it doesn't seem like we have either one of those in the top. This is a 3 minus x. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this negative out. Okay, I'm going to factor the negative out. Let's do a little side work over here. So if I were to factor this negative out, I'm going to say I'm going to factor out a negative 1. This becomes minus 3 plus x. So this is like a trick here. So in other words, if I were to distribute this negative 1 back inside, you would have a 3 and then minus x, just like we have up here in the numerator. But factoring that negative 1 out, right, then we're going to end up with, if I was to rewrite this, this is x minus 3. And a little negative out in front there. Okay, well, we do have an x minus 3 in the denominator. Okay, so we're going to be good to go. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, now we can cancel some stuff out. We have an x minus 3 in the numerator and x minus 3 in the denominator, so we can cancel those out. Now I'm going to rewrite this again. So this is the limit as x approaches 3 of, and I'm going to put this negative here, I'm just going to bring it out front, over x plus 3. Now we can do our direct substitution, plugging 3 directly in. And of course that simplifies down to negative 1 over 6. So we can go back up into the top here, and where we started out with our original limit, we can say that this is equal to negative 1/6. Okay.